triple four. Angel's message for you today. May you get a sign today that shows you that you are on the right path and that things are flowing in your favor. May the sign be evident and clear, direct. Type triple four if you agree. Triple seven. Number of the day. God is removing toxicity from your life. Love is coming your way. Money is coming your way. You are going to be happier than you have ever been. Type triple seven if you agree. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic. We get what we think, so by thinking positive, life will be automatically positive. Type yes if you believe in this and also subscribe God Manifesto 1111.